is bad.
Why is that bad?
The boy said that. The boy said frick it.
Frick it. Yeah, that's not bad.
That is bad.
Why do you think it's bad? You know what a freak is? Somebody's different, that's scary, and...
Who told you it's bad, Aiden? Who told you that it's bad to say freaking?
Ada.
Ada did? Yeah. Maybe she's thinking something else. You know who's a freak?
No.
Uncle Chris, he's a freak.
Is that true?
How about that? He's a freak.
Oh.
Ah!
I thought you were going to Walmart with Daddy.
Whoop! You don't want to go to Walmart?
I want to go Walmart.
Why?
Mom get the money.
Mommy's got all the money?
Yeah.
You said Daddy has the money.
Don't cut your fingers with that, it'll hurt.
Careful.
No,
Don't
don't
play with that.
Let me see it.
Daddy said, no more Ryan. Why you don't like Ryan, Daddy?
You are like Ryan.
I don't like Ryan. You like Ryan?
Nope.
You don't like Ryan no more?
Yeah.
Good.
Stop, you're going to cut yourself.
Good. No more Ryan, okay?
No more Ryan, okay?
Right.
You think you're funny, don't you?
You are so funny.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do if I get
No,
up?
no. It'll hurt Daddy.
Hup. Where you going?
Good job!
Let me see. You broke it.
No, it's gonna fix.
No way.
I want to fix that.
How?
You know how to fix it?
You see black
Let
there?
me see it.
That is you want to fix it. See?
Let me see.
See?
You want to fix it.
Huh?
Oh.
You fixed it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
thought you didn't fix it.
so, you know what's that?
What is that?
That is you want to fix that in here.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey! Hey!
It's joking.
First, hold that.
Okay, ready?
Hold that.
There you go.
And
Oh,
like that.
there you go. Oh, that's pretty cool. What happened to the handle?
Who gave you that? Toys? Mommy and Daddy?
Yep.
Where'd the handle go? You break?
Yeah.
Why?
Mommy break it.
Mommy broke it?
Really? I don't think so.
Why did she do that?
Are you sure?
Yep.
I don't think so.
Me no
I don't
mommy.
even play that toy.
What should we do about that? Hmm? What should we do to mommy for breaking the toys? What should we do with mommy for breaking the toys?
Don't throw now. Aiden, are you ready to go to school?
Nope.
Why? You're old already. You're like this old? 4.
One.
Yeah, you're 4 years old.
One nakuha ni.
You're not 1. You're not a baby anymore.
Duha la duha.
No, you're like this old. Just turned 4.
Nope.
What's your name? What's your name?